Hey friends, so today we were making a omelet pizza, breakfast pizza. So get a cast iron skillet and get some spray or butter. Grease your pan. Put the tortilla down on there. Gonna do a little ring of ketchup around the edge to keep the egg from going off the side, and also for a little bit of flavor. Ketchup's always good on everything, right? So run a little bead of ketchup all the way around. Okay, and next we're going to take 2 eggs. Go ahead and beat those up. And then you can add any toppings you want. Mushrooms, ham. I just had a little bit of onions and green pepper, but basically anything you put in an omelet would probably be really good. Yeah, lots of mushrooms would be great. Chunks of ham, onions, tomatoes. I took a little bit of garlic and pepper seasoning and put that in. Not too much. You don't want it too salty. Just enough to give it some good flavor. Mix that up all in there real good. And then, once that is finished, go ahead and pour it onto your tortilla, like so. You can see the ketchup is doing its job by not letting the egg spill out all over the place. Then just kind of work your toppings and the egg all the way around to the edge of the ketchup here. And once that is finished, I am holding the my recording device and doing the manual labor all at the same time. So not as quick as normal. Normally you could do this. So once it's all spread out nicely, now we're gonna take some cheese. Yes, we have a bag of mixed cheese, mozzarella and cheddar, I believe, and just kind of spread that around over the top, nice and evenly. I like to go around the edges, because make sure that the tortilla is covered, because when I put it on broil, it can burn your tortilla. So once we have put enough cheese on there, and you can use any kind of cheese you want. Sometimes I use sliced cheese when I'm making similar items, but this is for breakfast, so I was trying something new here. All right, that's looking pretty good already. I did make a couple of these, and definitely the ones with more toppings. The more toppings, the better. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put your oven on broil, and we're gonna throw the pan in there. Well, place it in there for it takes about 3 minutes or so, just until the cheese is golden brown. So we're gonna come back. There you go. That's kind of what you're looking for. All the cheese nice and melted. Looks delicious on top. Look at that. Looks good enough to eat already. So once your cheese is melted like that, you want to pull it out of there. If it goes too long, then it starts getting like burnt on top. So that's kind of what you're looking for. Go ahead and put that on your stovetop now. And what we're going to do is turn on the stove and cook the bottom part. So I like to cook the top part first. It seems to work out better than if you do it the opposite way. Cook the bottom first and then cook the top. So I put that on about medium heat, and what we want to do is we want to brown the bottom of the tortilla so it's nice and crispy actually. So I turned it about medium heat there. And once that is finished, let's check the bottom here. Oh yeah, see, it's nice and crispy, not too flimsy or anything. And we're gonna put that on a plate here. Yes, life is difficult without a bipod or tripod to hold your camera. So here it comes. We're going to plate this bad boy for you. Look at that. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Gonna cut this into 8 lovely slices and try it out here. So this was difficult because the plate was tipping, and I was like, no, the plate's tipping. I can't cut it with one hand. So I had to put the camera back down. Okay, so now that the camera is back down, we can go back to cutting. There we go. And I just use a normal pizza cutter because this is a breakfast omelette pizza. Cut it into 8 lovely little slices of deliciousness. And one more. There we go. So the last thing that is left is to try this out. So here we go. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Okay, so I had a guinea pig there, and he ate several slices there. He said it was yummy. And then I decided to try a slice for myself. Oh, you want a slice, don't you? Yummy. So I took a bite, and it was excellent. So enjoy.